It looks really, really nice on camera. Don't know why. This red is popping, but this looks terrible, in my opinion.
I agree.
All right, let's get this thing moved over here. We have a lot of stuff to put on. That's been sitting. What? Oh, the seal? Do you even know how to drive this thing?
Yeah.
What? Got a whole bunch of goodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 more coming tomorrow. And then this guy. This guy is just here. I need to sell this. So if anybody wants it, let me know. I think it's something simple. I've replaced everything, you know, but the wiring harness. I want to say it's going to be the harness. It starts right up. All right, come on now. Let's go. Go kill it. Everybody's watching you.
That's gonna make me kill it.
Everybody knows the top goes down, the price goes up. That thing is so small. We need lowering springs. We need wheels. Don't hit your battery. I already had to replace the battery. It's crazy to think of, but don't kill it. Look, Zach's watching you. Don't kill it. There you go. Oh, don't hit the cars. All right, go ahead and pop the hood. Let's see what we're working with. Yeah, do a burnout. Do a wheelie. Look at this little 1.6. Yeah, as you guys know, that one's got a 1.8, and you can kind of see the differences. The 1.8's got the coil pack on the left, distributor on the right, or cam angle sensor. And the 1.6 have that on the right and the distributor on the left. All right, first things first, let's get a good walk around. Headlights up. Oh yeah.
It's just cute.
Little headlights. So we got headlights going in. We got side markers. We got turn signals, because she apparently doesn't like the covers. I like the covers, but she does not like the covers. I don't know why you don't like them. We got side markers, tail lights going on, and then we got the carbon fiber side mirrors, as you guys saw. We might have to drill and put these somewhere. These definitely are super light. Are these blue tinted? Really? I didn't know they were blue. Why are they blue? Whoa.
Are they blue or is it a cover?
Do you see that? You guys see me? I don't know.
I think
They look blue.
it might be a cover. I don't
But
know. This is the part that will
Yeah, we'll probably have to take the OEM ones off and then mount that and
figure out.
chill and tap. So I think the basic thing on these, I think they are just a Phillips here, here, and here. And I think it just twists and pull out. I don't think we have to take the cover off. Then everything else, I think everything on this car is held in with a Phillips. Next video, it's all gonna be about the new Edge. And then after that, we're going back to the land this weekend. We're gonna try to get those trusses up. That's gonna be the worst thing ever, is getting those trusses up. All right, so like I said, right here is a screw. Oh, is that one? We might, here, let's take your cover off. Cover should come off now. Like we might need to pry it just a little. Yeah, there it goes. All right, no more cover. Yeah. Oh, here's the screws. And this thing should just kind of twist out. There it goes. There's a cover that holds it. Then these guys are just plugged in with the 3-prong. And just like that. One Miata headlight. So yeah, so these things have been replaced before. Okay. Why does that look like it would plug into a
regular plug?
Yeah, like a house plug. I think that's just like an adapter harness for a different type of vehicle, because these are universal. I'm gonna run this through the back, just like so. Ugh. That way, the factory stuff could still be where it's supposed to be. And I also just noticed I have no gloves on. Slide this guy back. And just like that, we're halfway done. Look at that, it sits into place. I can't believe you dropped the bolt. This ground is so, I mean, look, screw here, screw here, screw here. You might as well get a metal detector out. Beep, 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 beep. Could you imagine if that worked? Because I don't know, I've never even seen someone do this, so But she dropped one of the small ones that hold the retainer for this guy on, and we definitely need that. Okay, I literally turned the camera off, turned it right back on because she grabbed it. That is crazy to think of. All right, there's that. Don't do that again. Do you know which one's which here?
I did.
I did too.
You messed them up.
Okay, hold on, I got this.
No.
This looks about right.
No.
Yeah, this looks about right. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. So far so good. I do like all the black. It looks really good on the red. But if this thing was purple,
Is this the right one?
is it the right one? Remember, the words gotta be able to read the words.
Yeah, no, it just doesn't seem like
It doesn't look right. All right, one tail light coming out. There we go. I did already go ahead and unplug it. Like that, one tail light out. Let's go ahead and grab the new one. See what she looks like. I do like the factory ones. These do look really, really nice. I wonder, yeah, I think I need to take the housing off. I think, yeah, this should push in and pull out just like that. Cool. Look at me, I'm a Miata tech. Aw, you gotta take the old gasket off. Ugh. There it goes. There we go. If you guys can see, I like that. I like that a lot more. We are running out of sunlight. What sucks is it's only 7:52. Where you at, son? Huh? Always leaving me and stuff. You're just chilling on the ground. You need help. We are winding down on things to install. Are you still messing with the one? They're sitting flat. All right, turn them on. Little Mario here. Turn it off. Perfect.
Did I scare you?
Side markers done. Or side markers, turn signals done. What else we got? Short throw shifter. The biggest thing I don't like about this thing is the sloppy shifter, okay?
I just vacuumed.
So now, this throw's so long. It's like this far for a throw. Yeah. And then obviously this bushing is gone. This is in gear. So let's go ahead, get the center console out. There we go. Okay. Up, forward. Oh, okay. What on earth? This guy's spray painted the cover. Look at this. And there's duct tape. Why'd he do that? Don't worry, we're gonna pick this up. Thank you. Should be plain and simple. 1, 2, 3. Barely reached it. 4. This guy should kind of. There we go. Slide right up. Look at that. Here's your old one.
Ew.
It's all ruined. And this guy should be as simple as 1, 2. Oh yeah, this goes gnarly. It's all types of messy too. Ew. Okay. Put it back in neutral. Slide it up. There we go. We should probably do. That is some gnarly fluid. There you go. Is that all that came with it?
Yep.
Oh, this thing's all taped up. Is there any instructions in there? This should be a little bit more simpler. There's no instructions in there?
No.
Oh boy. I think this goes like that. I might have to look up and watch a video on this guy. Alright, got that thing shoved back down in there. I got this thing assembled. It should line up with the bolts. Good and tight. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Slide this guy back in there. This guy needs to go back through. Just like that. There we go.
No. Yeah.
So these are all spark plug sockets.
Oh, okay.
So grab one without a magnet, because they always get stuck, and then grab a magnet. I don't know where it's at. I think it's over here. It's just a little bit more of a pain in the butt. There we go. I should try to kind of remember where they went. You got that magnet? Oh my gosh. This valve cover gasket be leaking. She's gonna, oh God. Look at this. This thing's full of oil. Oh yeah, there's no spark plug left. The diode is completely gone. She running better? Oh yeah, she's not rocking anymore. Don't know if I can hand tighten this again, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave this off. It's not even budging, but I will definitely fix it. All right, let's go for a test drive. Hey, do the did. Oh, they're boring. Oh, they did it. They did it.
Oh God.
How'd that feel?
Weird.
That feel a lot tighter?
Never.
That feels good now, huh? All right, let's go. First try with the new shifter. What are you thinking so far?
It's nice.
It feels a lot better?
Yeah.
Oh man, oh. Oh my land, oh God, oh. Oh God.
Are you ready?
I guess. Ah.
It's okay.
We need to get an exhaust for it.
Yeah.
And some wheels. And
Yeah.
then lower it. That's a build.
Yeah.
Lights, wheels, lowered, build. Build 101. Yeah, they would, if they're not showing up in there, they're not working there.
Feels way better.
It feels a lot better.
Oh no.
Why do you do that?
I don't know. That's how I learned.
You don't go to second and then neutral, make sure it's in neutral, then put it third.
I don't know.
That makes no sense. It's literally clutch. Look, watch, clutch. It's designed to go into the next gear. You can kind of see the lightning in there. That looks pretty cool. Okay, I haven't seen it. Oh God. Oh.
What do you mean?
Almost died there.
You did not.
I was close.
You were not.
I was super close.
I'm not backing it up.
Yeah, you're gonna put it back in your spot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God.
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry about that. Oh God. Look at that. Don't mind the smoke. Do. Probably from the oil I dropped. All right, now I just gotta do some cleaning up. Little Miata that could have done for now until we get wheels and tires. Lower it. Fender steering wheel. Cause this one, like I said, this one's gotta go. This one's just chilling here. I like seeing it, but I hate seeing it. It's whatever, I guess.
Raven V1.
Raven V1, turd. Raven V2, ripper. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.